Hi Virgo, you're mid-October, October 2021, mid-month tarot cards reading. Anyway, current situation, the star, cause and effect. Six of Pentacles, effect is the Magician, sweet. Now Page of Pentacles, your influencing energy. Anyway, I'm gonna comment on it just now. So the star with Knight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles with the Nine of Pentacles. Now the Magician with Judgment. Very nice. Beautiful. You've got something lovely happening in your life right now, Virgo, and somehow started a little bit earlier, perhaps around, I don't know, maybe end of September, beginning of October. There is opportunity arrived somehow. There's opportunity, Ace of Wands, something that you were very passionate about, talking about something very practical, learning something new, being ready to learn new set of skills and seeing opportunity for that skill, okay, for that knowledge that you can implement, that knowledge that you can implement that knowledge in your life, maybe earn some money or something like that. Job opportunity as well, somewhere earlier on with Page of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, but opportunity for money, for career, for something that you learned, your knowledge, some new way of manifestation for you available, okay, visible, possible, or something like that. Look, and with Six of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles, we are talking money. If you needed some money, if you needed some helping hand, it was there. Six of Pentacles is sort of resolution, that is understanding. If there was some sort of confusion about that you are in need of something and you don't have enough money for this course, or you see what I'm saying, whatever that was need, it's there, it arrived. You know, some amount of money that you needed, it's there as well. You feel good about yourself. You are proud of yourself. Look, Nine of Pentacles is card that often comes in my readings for you, Virgo. And it's beautiful. It talks about somebody who is proud of itself. Having knowledge, having money, being rich, feeling like that, feeling like achiever, like rich person, like capable person. You see what I'm saying? All luxurious with this Nine of Pentacles. And as I said, I often see it for you in your readings. Though one thing with this Nine of Pentacles is being on your own, you know, feeling good about yourself, but there's no people around you. It's just you, your money, your knowledge, your success. Is you being proud with yourself. A little bit isolated energy, Nine of Pentacles. But anyway, it could be that you are helping another, okay? You being achiever, you having money, feeling rich, feeling capable. You are helping another one who is in need. Could also be something like that just before, somewhere around 10, 11, perhaps that would happen. But now, right now, the star and Knight of Pentacles, now from Page of Pentacles into Knight of Pentacles, now we are talking some money, we are talking some success, we are talking manifestation, going for it, okay, being on to it. This energy of Knight of Pentacles is kind of slowish one. All nights are action, okay? If that what you saw earlier on, that, I don't know, offer, job offer, idea about making money, something around your career, money, learning, some future success that you saw for yourself, you are onto it. This energy is going towards, okay, moving towards. You are acting towards your goals. You are going towards your goals, your hopes, your dreams, your goals, the star energy, all you want for yourself, or you dream for yourself, you're onto it, okay? Started earlier on, but right now you know that you are onto it. Slow pace. This is not something that is happening quickly, but happens for sure, okay? That is very important characteristic of this energy of Knight of Pentacles. It's not that you are achieving it, and it's not exciting energy, it's actually boring. But good characteristic, as I said, is that certainty. You will arrive at the destination. You will achieve your goals. You will manifest with that what you wanted to manifest with. You see what I'm saying? That idea from earlier on that took you into this situation right now, into this mid-October. You are pacing towards your goals. You are pacing towards your goal. Something very practical, as I said, could be employment for you, but things are happening, not happened yet, not finished yet, not arrived yet at your goal, but you know that you will be for sure. That energy is certain. Okay, and yeah, you do have 2 majors. So it seems to me very soon, you will begin something new. There's Judgment and there's Magician. Now these two talk about manifestation. You are manifesting, that's for sure. That's what I told you in here, that believed, carry on doing that what you do, you will arrive at your goal. Now there is soon change of a situation. You are at the very beginning with the Judgment and with Magician, you are onto it. These two energies are often talking about being promoted to the position of authority. Okay, you are the one who tells people what to do. Okay, that kind of energy. If it's about business, in private life or whatever, this is kind of being in position of authority. You are telling people what they're supposed to do, how they're gonna do it. You tell them exactly how they're gonna behave. You are judging their performance. You see what I'm saying? Being person of authority in here. Look, you know, this is something that kind of you do have within you. You are finding it easy for you. You wanted it for yourself. You are comfortable with it. This is not an uncomfortable situation, Virgo. For many of you, perhaps being person of authority and tell to people what to do often is difficult. I know that, because Virgo is a hard-working person, normally does things on its own. Okay, you roll your sleeves and you are doing it. You are not waiting for other people, you know, so you tell them, so you explain them, so you know, you wait for them to do things. No, you're doing it yourself. Now this is something different. This is your job. You yourself, being leader, being supervisor, or you know, whatever way, you are authority here, and you are telling people what they're going to do and how you're going to do it, and you are feeling good about it. It is actually your job. It is that task that you are accepting. It's kind of you being like you've been doing this type of job, and now you are promoted and you are boss, and that's what you wanted, that's what you saw as future for yourself. So you are very comfortable in here. You are accepting it as something very natural, very normal, something that you expected, and something that you worked for. Okay, kind of becoming person of authority in this business or in your private life. It doesn't matter. But anyway, definitely success that I see. Becoming that what you wanted to be. At the very beginning, okay, you are at the very beginning here, but with full confidence that how it's going to stay from now on. You are not going back. You are going only further from here on. Climbing up, perhaps corporate ladders, having upgrade in your social status, in your business status, in your financial status. You see what I'm saying? Judgment energy will never bring you back. It's only gonna move you forward. This is absolute energy. This decision is here to stay. It will never bring you back to that what was, though it will rely on something that you used to do. Okay, you see what I'm saying? But anyway, it is absolute energy, and you are, as I said, moving forward. Very successful. October, I see your October, the whole October is very successful. Movement is happening. Important movement is happening around these days, around 15th. Enjoy it, Virgo.